Thank you, Robin, and thank you, Deepak. It's absolutely great to see a full hall. And I think the way that the lighting industry has evolved till now, and the kind of evolution that we are going to see in the years to come, is mind-boggling. We're at a stage where the lighting industry is literally transforming, and it's the most rapid transformation that we've seen in this industry for a long, long time. And that transformation is not incremental, it is disruptive. The transformation to LED, which is happening globally as well as in India, there's absolutely no holding that back. And that is clearly the future of lighting. And if you go around all the booths and stalls in Light India, you will feel that difference. From the first Light India 2 years ago to Light India in 2014, you can see the transformation. Pretty much 100% of the booths and stalls are now displaying LED. And what is even more heartening is moving on from just LED products to connected lighting. And that really is the true power. Elcoma for the last 42 years has really been focused on driving growth of the lighting industry, a strong focus on driving energy efficiency in the country. In fact, we just released what we call Vision 2020 for the lighting industry yesterday. And in that, basically what we said is from 18% of total power consumption that lighting contributes today, we want to work on bringing that down to less than 13%. And obviously that means that we have to drive the energy efficiency agenda strongly as an industry, working closely with the government. And for those of you who were there at the inauguration 2 days ago of Light India, we had the Honorable Minister of Power, Coal and New and Renewable Energy, Shri Piyush Goyal, there for the inauguration. And when he spoke, I thought it was the best speech that I've heard from a politician in a long, long time. Everything that he said was relevant and to the point. He said basically the Indian industry needs to scale up. We need to drive local manufacturing. We need to set up R&D and testing facilities. We need to drive costs down along with scale. And we need to get to a level, and that was an interesting challenge. He said we need to get a 1x of CFL cost, not 2x, but 1x as quickly as possible. And when we told him about Vision 2020 and getting to 13%, he threw an interesting challenge. He said, why 2020? Look at 2018. And I think that is the real spirit that we see today. So from the lighting industry point of view, this is the best of times. We have a government that is proactive. We have a minister who is progressive. We have Dr. Ajay Mathur at the Bureau of Energy Efficiency. We have Saurabh Kumar heading EESL, Energy Efficiency Services Limited. And I think what the minister said was, he is convinced that energy efficiency is critical for the nation, and anything that he can do as a Minister of Power to help the industry to drive the energy efficiency agenda, he will always be there to help. And I think that is a great gesture from the minister. And it's really up to all of us in the lighting industry to really grab that opportunity. Because we need to do all of those things. We need to set up local manufacturing. We need to scale it up. We need to set up many more R&D facilities. We need to set up many more testing facilities in this country. Because if we want to explode LED and connected lighting, we will need to invest. And I think there's a commitment from every member of Elcoma that we will, as an industry, invest to drive energy efficiency. I think there's great pride that all of us take that while we are doing business at one end, we're also doing something which helps the nation. And there are very few industries which can actually say that. And I think Elcoma will remain committed to really helping the government to drive the energy efficiency agenda for India. If I look at all the sessions that are lined up for today during this conference. We have some outstanding speakers. We have doyens of the industry who are going to be here, either chairing the sessions or participating. We have Dr. Jain, who's been the chairman of IGBC. We have Saurabh Kumar, who will be speaking later. We have Dr. Sandeep Garg, who's going to be speaking. We have speakers from different companies from India as well as around the world. I think that's the true power. The fact that we've got the best minds in the lighting industry from around the world to come to Light India and to really participate in the seminars and conferences over these 3 days. I think again that's a great sign. The fact that everyone is committed to making this story come true. So really would urge all of you to really participate through the rest of the day for the next 4 or 5 hours. We've got an outstanding set of speakers. It's going to be great to learn about what is happening in the industry and what more we need to do to drive the lighting industry to the next level and the energy efficiency agenda to the next level. So thank you so much for being here. I'm looking forward to the next few sessions as well and participating with all of you. I look forward to interacting with all of you over tea as well. Thank you so much.